Hook. Did you know that studies show that 80% of people struggle to manifest wealth, even when they try every trick in the book? What if I told you that there's a revolutionary program that can help you do it 100 times faster? Stick around because today, we're diving into the Billionaire Brainwave program. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. Today, we're talking about something that's been a game changer for so many, the Billionaire Brainwave program. This program is designed specifically for those who want to manifest wealth in their lives more effectively. It combines the power of brainwave technology with proven wealth manifestation techniques. So, whether you're looking to increase your income, start a successful business, or just attract more abundance into your life, you're in the right place. Let's get into how this program works and why it might just change your financial future. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the struggles we all face when trying to attract wealth. Many of us have probably read self-help books, attended seminars, or even tried visualization techniques. But despite our best efforts, we often find ourselves stuck in the same financial rut. Traditional methods of wealth manifestation can leave you feeling frustrated and disheartened. You might ask yourself, why am I not seeing results? Well, it's because these methods often fail to tap into the deeper levels of our subconscious mind, where our true beliefs about money live. The reality is, if you don't shift those underlying beliefs, you won't see the changes you desire. So, what if there was a way to bypass all of that struggle and reach your financial goals faster? That's where the Billionaire Brainwave program comes in. Exploration/development. Okay, let's dig deeper into the science behind this amazing program. The Billionaire Brainwave program utilizes specific brainwave frequencies, like alpha and theta waves, which are known to enhance creativity, intuition, and relaxation. When you listen to these frequencies, your brain enters a state where it can absorb new information and beliefs effortlessly. This is crucial because it allows you to reprogram your subconscious mind to align with wealth and abundance. The program is designed with a variety of audio tracks that guide you through different states of consciousness, helping you visualize your financial goals more vividly and effectively. Plus, it incorporates techniques like affirmations and guided imagery, which are proven to boost your manifestation abilities. By using this program regularly, you can start to undo the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back and replace them with empowering ones that will attract wealth into your life. Imagine waking up each day feeling confident and excited about your financial future. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a powerful success story that showcases just how transformational the Billionaire Brainwave program can be. Meet Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet. She had dreams of starting her own business but felt overwhelmed by her financial situation. After discovering the Billionaire Brainwave program, she decided to give it a shot. Within just a few weeks of using the program, she noticed a shift in her mindset and energy. She started attracting new opportunities, met the right people, and even secured funding for her business idea. Fast forward to today, Sarah runs a successful online business and has achieved the financial freedom she once thought was out of reach. Her story isn't unique, it's just one of many who have used this program to transform their lives. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, the Billionaire Brainwave program is not just another self-help trend. It's a scientifically backed tool that can truly change the way you manifest wealth. By tapping into the power of brainwave technology, you can overcome the barriers that have been holding you back and accelerate your journey towards financial abundance. Imagine living a life where money flows to you effortlessly. That's the promise of this program. If you're ready to take that leap and transform your financial reality, I highly encourage you to check it out. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on wealth manifestation? Have you tried any techniques before? Drop your comments below and let's chat. And don't forget to check out my other videos on wealth creation strategies, there's so much more to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.